Well, I was out there in San Francisco, 1967. That's the whole story there. It's a good time. But somehow I found out that police were not looking for me. They might have come to the place I was staying. I don't remember quite how that happened. It wasn't no big deal, but I thought it got time to leave. So I heard something anyway, so I decided to hitchhike down to LA. And I had this old amplifier on some wheels. It had a rope on it, so pull it down the street. But it was dog. And I had a guitar. I thought I'd go down to LA to kind of avoid the problem I was having up there. So I started hitchhiking. These two boys picked me up. They seemed old at the time, they probably and old. I said, man, where are we going? I thought we were heading down I was one. And we didn't get about a couple, maybe an hour or two down there. It was like, I'll make it fast as that. Stopped at a gas station and said, well, we have a pit stop here. And so I went in to use the toilet there. We was all buddies, you know, they were going to get gas. Showing up when I come out, there ain't no one there to grab me. I just all in that. Then I didn't have nothing. So, you know, that's the way it went. So I started, hitchhiking. I said, well, I might as well keep going down there to the 14th, waiting for me down there. Well, days later, whenever it was, I got down to LA. And kind of, life always finds life, so I found these other kind of bums that was kind of living in just like an abandoned house, kind of an abandoned house. Maybe people had died or something. Kind of like white covers on the furniture. These guys had busted in there and living there. So somehow I hooked up with these other fellas down there. And I was just staying there. And this one guy, he had this, I didn't even have a jacket. And one guy had one of them leather jackets, like, I don't know, like with the long strings hanging on them, kind of like a hippie jacket or a western thing. Tassels hanging over this kind of little leather thing. I was asking if I could borrow it because I wanted to go walking around with a little nippy. I put that jacket on there and I was intensely talking to him with the jacket. And I started walking down the street, showing up police come pull me over. They wanted to know what I was doing walking down the street. And they decided to search me, and in the pocket of that jacket they found one of the marijuana joints. And it wasn't even mine. Oh, they took me to jail. So, I'm trying to, claim that it ain't mine, leave me alone. So, I didn't have no ID or nothing like that. And, this is going back a little ways, I have to jump back. Another time I was locked up. I think this fella I got in from Canada, pretty sure. And he had told me that one time that, I'm getting this wrong, maybe he wasn't locked up. Maybe I didn't meet him in jail, but I met this guy anyway, he had gotten busted for something. But because he was from Canada, they sent him